McDonald's French fries megafactory. How millions of fries are perfected with cutting-edge technology. Is McDonald's cheese plastic? Definitely not. It's made by melting cheese, mixing it with emulsifiers, and cooling it into slices. This process mirrors how processed cheese is made in stores, debunking any myths about its quality. Pies, fish, and more. From their crispy apple pies to the tender Filet-o-Fish patties made from haddock, McDonald's showcases global flavors in its menu. Even the shrimp nuggets and donuts have their own stories, backed by advanced machinery and meticulous preparation. A culinary revolution. From anime-inspired garlic sauce to indulgent donuts, McDonald's shows that fast food can be both inventive and satisfying. Each meal tells a story of innovation and care. Next time you order, reflect on the journey behind your food. What's your go-to McDonald's item? Share your favorites in the comments.